Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Um, okay, I don't even know where to start because one, because this is the third time I'm trying this. Every time there's been something on my computer that pops up, so I have to end the recording, stop that. Now this, okay. So if you hear something in the background, that is my sister watching TV in the living room, and that's also the AC because it's a little loud. Okay, so and yes, it says 3 hours, but I haven't played this in a while. It's awful loud for me. Let's hope it's not that for you. We're just gonna press new game because give me extra time to talk to you guys. So I I think I should start with why haven't I been posting like I promised? Well, I don't know if it's a promise, but why haven't I been posting like I said? Short answer: school. Because well, I've been full school's getting in the way of YouTube, and I don't want to turn out to be all those YouTubers who drop out of school to YouTube because I do still want to have an education, but I will work on it. But I will push myself to a little bit
Hello?
further, work on
Hello?
school,
I
cleaning,
wanted to
and
record a
YouTube.
message for you to help you get settled in on your first
Uh,
night. I
and
actually
also,
worked in that office
if
before you.
audio is kind of
I'm
shite, I'm still
finishing up my
figuring out
last week now, as
OBS.
a matter of fact.
And
So,
speaking of
I know
softwares,
it can
if
be a
anybody
bit
has good
overwhelming, but I'm here to tell you
editing
there's
software,
nothing to
just
worry
any
about.
good editing software that you
You'll be
think will be
fine.
useful for
So,
YouTube,
let's
cutting
just
video,
focus
editing
on getting you through
videos, and
your
all that.
first week. Okay?
Just leave them in the comments
Let's
below,
see.
and I'll go
First, there's
through
an
them.
introductory greeting
And if you
from
have
the
also, if you
company
haven't,
that
also
I'm
if you don't want
supposed
to
to
do that,
leave.
if you have any other
It's
games you should
kind
play
of a
besides
legal
the
thing,
FNAF
you know.
series until the next
Welcome
one
to
comes
Freddy
out,
Fazbear's Pizza, the
just leave them in the
magical
comments as
place for
well.
kids and grown-ups
I kind
alike,
of
where
running low on
fantasy and
ideas,
fun
and
come
have a
to
limited
life.
amount of games
Fazbear
before I have to
Entertainment
go
is not
find some.
responsible for damage to property or
And
person.
okay,
Upon discovering that damage or death has
I'm trying to
occurred,
think
a
of any.
missing person report will be filed within 90 days
So
as
the
soon as
reason I'm
property
doing
and
FNAF
premises
is
have
because
been
it's quite a
thoroughly
long
cleaned and bleached
series,
and the carpets have
and
been
with my
replaced.
skill level,
Blah, blah,
it
blah.
will take a
Now,
while.
that might
FNAF
sound bad,
VR
I know,
depends
but
on what
there's really
happens.
nothing to
May
worry
have to
about.
be pushed back a bit,
The animatronic
and I won't be able
characters
to do
here
FNAF AR
do
yet.
get a bit
Actually, wait,
quirky at night, but do I
no, I
blame them?
maybe I have to
No.
figure that
If
out.
I were forced to sing
But right
those
now,
same stupid
I
songs
can't
for 20
do
years and I never got
FNAF
it back,
VR.
I'd
My
probably be a
VR,
bit
the VR
irritable at
broke,
night too. So
and I'm still
remember,
working on
these
that.
characters hold
So
a special place in the
let's
hearts
hope
of
that I
children,
get a
and
VR
you can
before
show them a
then,
little
so I can
respect,
also do VR
right?
videos.
Okay.
But
So just be
it will
aware,
be more
the characters
scuffed
do tend to
because
wander a
VR
bit.
videos are hard. VR
They're
videos
left in
are
some
harder
kind of
solo
free roaming
because,
mode at night.
well, I'm a new YouTuber.
Something
I'm doing
about
this
their
solo.
servos locking up
I'm
if they
doing
get
it.
turned
I
off
don't
for
have
too
it.
long.
I don't have anyone
They
else.
used to be allowed to walk
And
around
all my
during the
friends have
day
done
too,
YouTube. But
but
basically,
then there was the bite of
what,
87.
like third channel, second or
Yeah,
third channels.
it's
So
amazing that the human body
yeah,
can live without the frontal lobe, you know?
frontal
Now,
lobe.
concerning your
Ooh,
safety,
yeah,
the
blah.
only real
You guys
risk
are
to
fine.
you as a night watchman here, if any, is the fact that these
And
characters, if they
let's
happen to
see.
see you after hours,
I
probably
mean, I
won't
have some
recognize
other
you as
games
a
I'll play
person.
in between this. You might
They'll,
say, am
they'll
I
most
gonna do
likely see you
Destiny?
as a metal
Not
endoskeleton
until
without a
the season's
costume
over.
on. Now, since
The
that's
season's
against the
almost over,
rules here at
so
Freddy
once the season's
Fazbear's
over in the next
Pizza,
season, I
they'll
will do
probably
Destiny,
try
because right now it's a
to
little,
forcefully stuff you
content is kind
inside
of
a Freddy
scarce.
Fazbear suit.
Like,
Now, that wouldn't be
I
so
literally have
bad
to find,
if the suits
I'll have to like
themselves weren't
dig into
filled
it
with
to find content. I
cross-beam,
could just do
wired
challenges.
animatronic
There
devices,
is that, but then,
especially around
well,
the
that's only
facial
fun for so
area.
long.
So you can imagine
Especially on
how
a game
having
like
your head forcefully
Destiny,
pressed inside one of
where
those
almost
could
every
cause a
game is
bit
the
of
same.
discomfort
Unless
and
there's
death.
Team Rumble, then
The only
well,
parts of you that
unless
would
there's actually
likely see
just
the light of
Rumble
day again would be your eyeballs
or
and teeth that
whatever,
pop
or
out the
free for
front of
all,
the
what it
mask.
is.
Yeah, they don't tell you
And
these things when you
so,
sign up. But hey, first day free.
but
I'll chat with
I
you
will
tomorrow. Check those cameras and
I
remember
will
to close the
try
doors
my
only
I
if
will try my
absolutely
best
necessary.
for that.
Gotta conserve power. Alright, good night.
Okay. Yep. So here we are. Found you. Yeah. So So like, I'm not really like I don't really know what I'm doing. I don't really know where. Okay, Bonnie's gone. Bonnie, big boy, bitch, mudda, butter. Probably shouldn't be swearing, but like I can't swear in the first like minute of the video in the future when I get that lit large. But for now, it's just me and you guys. Did you? I saw you looking at me. God, my hand is slipping off this book because the mouse isn't that great. Bro, where you at? Dog, where you at? Um, also, just 'cause I can, if you if you guys are wondering what my thoughts are, since I'm a white man, on um the police on the incident, I don't exactly know what it is. I just know that it involves this guy called George Floyd, who was shot, who was a black man who was shot dead by a white police officer. Um, it's police brutality. They're overusing their power, and also it's racist. Like, equality is not a thing in America. You want a book on equality? You best leave America. It's not gonna be there. God damn, I hear a cat meow. God damn it. That'll be fine. That'll be fine. My sister has it. Like the George Floyd thing, because every time someone who's black speaks up, they always get shot down and called a thug, a monkey, which is super fucking racist. So I thought, since I'm a white, so I'm like, okay, well, maybe, well, okay, I was like, okay, well, this is racist. I can't click it. I originally learned, my cat's staring at me. I originally learned about this from one of my friends. They sent it to me and a bunch of my other friends. And when I learned about it, I just felt disappointed. And not America, just humanity. Because there are people all over the world doing this. Just people all over the world who are racist. Not everyone's racist. Not every white person's racist. Not every Asian person's not every person's racist. I know it's kind of ranting because, well, this ain't really interesting. So I thought I might speak. Oh fuck. No. 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 Where'd he go? Fuck you. Shut the fuck up. He's there. Cat, stop. My cat's trying to make me lose. Okay, back to what I was saying. Just in general, not everyone's racist. Some people aren't. Some people are. And then there are some people who are racist sometimes, not racist the other times. And people like make racist jokes and they don't mean it, but still like it's still basically, even if you aren't racist, or even if you are, you can still help people. You still help take down destroy equality by just speaking your mind. If you think racism is bad, sure. If you think racism is good, you should probably go. You should probably go to the KK final letter. I don't want to say it. The fuck was that flash? The fuck is that? I just heard someone screaming. God damn. Come on. Booping intensifies. Shut up, Foxy, or I'll kill you. I kill you. Fuck. Yeah, I went on a giant rant there. So, so that was my opinion. in general, the most racist country right now, well, the country that has the most racism, it's America. So, yeah. Yay, very easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Now we actually have a challenge. Second night. Ugh. I'm trying to do 2 nights per video, but the more nights we do, the harder it's gonna get.
Hello? Hello? Well, if you're hearing this and
We
you made
made
it
the
to day
night
two,
too.
congrats.
Oh my
I
neck,
won't
that
talk
hurt.
quite as long this time since Freddy and his friends tend to become more active as the week progresses. It might be a good idea to peek at those cameras while I talk, just to make sure everyone's in their proper place, you know.
Okay.
Interestingly enough, Freddy himself doesn't come on stage
You
very often.
bitch.
Freddy becomes a lot more active in the dark, though, so
Yes,
hey,
Fred, Fred,
I guess
Fred,
that's one more
Fred
reason not to run out
boy,
of timer,
Freddle,
right?
Freddle
I
mix
also want
Freddle,
to
Freddle mix
emphasize the importance
Smeggle.
of using your door lights. There are blind spots in your camera view,
Pew,
and those
pew, pew,
blind
pew,
spots happen to
pew,
be
pew.
right outside your doors. So if you ever find something
The
or
FNAF
someone
sister
on
location
your
will probably be
cameras,
the one FNAF
be sure
where
to
I do
check
the
the door
wolf.
lights.
That and
You
FNAF
might
New
only
York.
have a few seconds to react.
Actually, FNAF
Not that
and
you would
this
be in
because
any
I might get
danger,
rid of
of
this.
course.
FNAF 4.
I'm not implying that.
I have no progress on this, but on my
Also,
friends, on my
check on
friend's
the
laptop,
pertinent pirate code from
we
time
were
to
doing a
time.
challenge to see if we
The
can get the
character in there
furthest,
seems
and
unique in that he becomes
my
more
friends got
active if
stuck
the
on night
cameras
2
remain
when I
off
made
for
it
long
there,
periods
and
of
then I
time.
beat it, they got stuck on
I
night
guess you're
3,
gonna like
and
this
so
a
I made it to
lot.
night 4,
I don't know.
and so
Anyway,
I just
I'm
decided
sure
to
you have
work on it
everything under
now.
control. Talk to you soon.
Goodbye, bye-bye, bye-bye. Pew, 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 pew. Oh god, I mean to do that. What the fuck is that noise? Like you guys don't hear it, but there's just a random fucking noise going on in my house. What the fuck? Like you guys may hear, but I don't know if you do. Also, don't mind the purple dots on my screen. My laptop's dying, so that's fun. Bah. Like this isn't that enthusiastic. This isn't that entertaining. English is not a thing for me right now. I'm a little bit tired, so 1 minute. I'm trying to slap myself awake. I like. This isn't that entertaining because I'm not panicking right now. I mean, maybe later. Bitch, I'm gonna put mayonnaise between your toes. I mean, everything's more fun when I have more people, but I don't have friends. I don't have friends who play PC, so yeah. Like I'm over like you got like other YouTubers over here. Yeah, they got friends, so everything's more fun for them, or they're really funny, or that. I just don't have friends. So I have friends. I have friends. Yes. I don't have friends who play PC. That that actually scared. I actually jumped. You bitch. I was expecting you to be there. You better go away, or else it's mayonnaise for you. Voice crack. Don't mention the voice crack. Okay. My wrist is sore. Bow, 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 bow. I'm a little nervous because I was expecting. Oh, I, I didn't check Chica. I'm a little scared actually. I hear stip steps. Chica's in the kitchen. That's my scared noise. I make that when I'm scared. Uh, don't you do it, Foxy. Don't you do it, you bitch. I know my reflexes aren't fast enough. I think the reason why people get scared at this is because the noise is just so loud. And FNAF 4 is gonna scare the shit out of me because I haven't played it in so long because I haven't been in my friend's house in a while. Quarantine life. So, I'm gonna get. It's gonna be so. I'm gonna be. My volume's gonna be so high, I'm gonna get so fucking scared. Whew. Come on. 4 a.m. I got this. Wait, I thought I wasn't there. I was about to fucking scream. I hear that noise in the background. I didn't even hear you, you sneaky bitch. But what the fuck was that? Someone just slammed their head on a desk. Like I felt that. Chica. Come on, don't get jump scared. Should make it. I hear you bitches. I hear someone stip stamping in the darkness. Oh, turned it to 6. I got this, 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 I got this. Oh god, I missed it. Come on. I don't know why I'm scared. The game isn't that scary for some reason, but it's just... Ah. Fuck shit, God. What the fuck? What the Golden Freddy, no, 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 no. Come on. 36. Yes. Oh. When I saw what I heard, saw the it's me at the end. I guess I'm sweating. Okay, I'm using my yearbook as a fucking pat mouse pad. Hey cat, hey Hitler. Yes, it's my cat. My name is Hitler because he has a Hitler mustache. I don't think I'm allowed to say
Oh,
that.
hello.
Oh,
Hey, you're doing great.
demonetized.
Most people don't
Woo!
last this long. I
Yeah,
mean, you
who
know,
am I
if
kidding?
they
YouTube
usually
doesn't
move
even pay
on to
attention
other
to me.
things by now. I'm not
They have
implying
a
that they
bot that
died.
does it.
That's not what I meant.
They think I don't even
Anyway, I better
exist.
not take up too much of your time. Things start getting real tonight. Hey, listen, I had an idea. If you happen to get
Hmm?
caught and want to avoid getting stuffed into a Freddy suit,
I
try
thought I heard
playing
Freddy
dead.
earlier, so.
You know, go limp. Then there's a chance that maybe they'll think that your empty costume
Nah,
instead.
bitch. I'd
Then
rather just
again, if
have
they
a
think you're an
hammer on
empty
me the whole
costume,
time,
they might
and
try
then when they
to
try and stuff me, I
stuff a
just
mental
beat
skeleton
the
into
shit out
you.
of their brain.
I wonder how that would work. Yeah, never mind. Scratch that. It's best just not to get caught.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll leave you to it. See you on the flip side.
The longer I go, the more likely. I'm bound to get jump scared, guys. It's impossible for me to not do. Because if I beat this, there's night 4. If I beat that, there's night 5. And I had now been able to beat night 4. Shut the fuck up. My cat's so angry with me. He wants me to pay attention to him. Oh god. What the f- Holy shit. That boy is a flash. Come on. I'm focused enough. No, 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 no. Oh. Like, I don't want to die, but I'm bound to. Let me move my mouse. Chica. Chica chi. Chica choo. Boom, boom, boom. 69. Nice. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. I'm trying to focus up and beat this knife so I can get as far as possible for the next video. Well, next time I record for FNAF, next video might not be FNAF. But I'm also trying to provide commentary, so it's not just me, so it's not just video, audio, no, it's not just you guys watching me play and then die. You understand. Any other YouTubers like me, or YouTubers who were this, any of the YouTubers in general who are beginning, or YouTubers who started out, or who remember how they started out, you probably understand what I'm going with. That it's kind of hard to focus up at a game where you don't want to lose. I don't want to die. No, no, fuck off. Fuck, yeah. I don't want to die. No, fuck, fuck, no. Damn it. Oh. Oh. Well, that's the video because I don't want to keep you guys here any longer. So, okay, let's just stop that. Gonna head to my OBS software. Okay, 25 minutes. Well, that's the shortest video yet, guys. So, if I'm about to do it. If you liked the video, hit the like button and subscribe because I need the help because the because I already have enough motivation, but if I have more people, the more motivation. And also, I don't want to let my fans I have right now down. So, because if I make, because right now, like, I'm just like other YouTubers who thought, well, I'm gonna focus on school because I have a life, right? I don't want to do this, and then they got enough subscribers and didn't have a life anymore. So, I have a life right now. So, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so people see this. Because most people actually don't see this. Most people didn't see my last video. So if you want to go watch that, you can. It'll probably be as more entertaining than this, but who knows? Thank you for watching. I love y'all. I'll see you on the flip side. Peace.